Welcome to an overview of our EDC 125 Child Development course schedule. If what you're seeing does not match your specific section and days and times to meet, that's okay. Stick with this. The overall format of this course schedule will be what you see on your course homepage for your section. Included at the top is your course with the specific section, the days and times that your class will meet. Please remember that there is an attendance policy with Del Tech, and the expectation that is that you are attending and participating in class. Your instructor, as well as his or her email, will be listed at the top. And again, what you see as far as the text, the highlighted information, is all going to correspond with what is on the schedule itself. Okay, so on this schedule, green indicates that it is a web conferencing Zoom week, and anything in blue as we scroll down, week 4 is your first online week. So you can see that those are highlighted on your course schedule. And then anything in purple on the calendar that is underlined is a graded assessment. Your instructor will also include specific days and times that your assignments are due, and those will be consistent. Working from left to right, we have the week, the module, the read-watch materials that you're responsible for prior to coming to your Zoom meetings, and also prior to completing your assignments. And then the last column is your assessment. In your course homepage, that's the complete submodule. And then there'll be reminders sprinkled throughout to support your success throughout the semester. So let's go through a couple of weeks. Week 1, in green, that's the Zoom meeting date. Then you have your module read watch. In this case, module 1. Week 1 is module 1.1, and it explains that you're looking at the read watch items, which include chapter 3, the chapter 3 PowerPoints, and 3 video articles website to review. That does not mean 3 of each. That just means there's 3 additional course materials to review. The reminder down at the bottom is to please take the time to review your developmental portfolio assessment supplement prior to our week 2 class meeting. Week 2 will predominantly be chapter 3, as well as your review of developmental portfolio and chapters 4 and 5. Coming over to assessments, your complete items. It's a reminder that when your class will meet and our agenda, right? So we will review the course materials, we'll go over chapters, have discussion. Again, your instructor is typically not going to regurgitate the information on the presentation slides or in the chapter. Please come having read that information in the read watch submodules and be ready to participate in discussion. You're going to review your EMP, your engagement and participation assessments, and specifically your first one, which is you're introducing yourself in a discussion board. And then part of our week 1 will also be reviewing the module quizzes, and those will be on the regular at the conclusion of each of the modules. Okay, let's run through it one more time. Week 2, you have a Zoom, which means you're meeting during your designated day and time. And now we're moving on to module 1.2. You have your read watch materials, your textbook chapters, and your textbook pages. I see here that that should be chapter 5, so follow along with the pages. And then again, you have 3 video, article, or websites to review. Any reminders will be included about college closures, holidays, spring breaks will also be included on our course calendar. Moving over to assessment, complete, and reminders. Again, in green, that's your meeting. So you're going to jump on Zoom at your designated class time. And you'll see consistently agenda to review, chapter overview, and discussions. And week 2, we're going to talk again specifically about your portfolio assessment. That will be an ongoing tiered assignment all the way through the semester until week 14. Down below, You'll see under the dotted line, you'll see your due date and time. Okay, again, depends on your section, and then your assignments that are due. This schedule is created in a checklist format. You can print this off, you can use it electronically, and again, remember, you can simply use the course schedule on D2L as well. We hope that this was a helpful review. Get to know your course calendar, reference it, put these things into your own planning tool, your time management tools, and again, your course instructor will navigate you through your course schedule each week as you meet, but you're certainly, again, encouraged to ask any questions.